We are the Fleetwoods, Michael and Victoria Fleetwood, and this is also baby Victoria Fleetwood. Well-Rounded Momma was a godsend to us. We were really looking for something that was more hands-on, where my husband could be involved as well in the birthing process, and Cassie provided that for us, and Well-Rounded Mommas did too.
Hi, my name is Lisa Marie. I chose Well-Rounded Momma because I did a lot of research. I actually also was seeing a doctor at the same time, and for me, I wanted to be able to have choices, and I wanted to be able to make educated decisions and research-based decisions about this little one. And ultimately, after seeing a doctor and a midwife at the same time, my husband and I both decided that the midwife felt like the most natural decision for us and the best decision to bring our baby into the world. The birth experience and even the experience leading up to it was phenomenal. The support, the emotional connection, feeling like I wasn't just being lost in the system was really important to me.
My name is Diana Weeks, and I chose Well-Rounded Mommas for 3 different reasons. Firstly, I wanted the comfort of being able to give birth at home and just being surrounded by family and the people that I wanted there. Secondly, I wanted my birth plans honored, and just whatever my husband and I wanted, we just want that, followed through. And then thirdly, when we met with Sherry and Tiffany, we were completely sold. They were warm, they were great listeners. They just completely sold us, and we knew that going through them, we would get exactly what we wanted with our home birth.
Hi, I'm Randy. This is Kanan. I chose Well-Rounded Momma because they're the only place that I know of that are encouraging with home births and water births, and that's what I wanted to do, for always. My experience was fantastic. I had Tori as my midwife, and she was pregnant at the time that she was my midwife. And I had the home birth at home. I was in labor for 30 hours, and she was very, very helpful. Rory was my doula, so Rory was with me most of the time. And they just let me do all the work. We did the birthing class here with Well-Rounded Momma as well, and that was so helpful. So we just did the exercises. They timed my contractions and just let me do all the work, really, and he came out and it was all great.